Hello, I'm Jennifer Graney with JCG Medical Legal Consulting. I've been asked to offer a little bit of advice about exhibiting. I think probably the best advice I have for a new LNC who's starting this and venturing out to try exhibiting as a venue for marketing would be hold your head high and be professional. Just be yourself, talk to people, be friendly and open, and just know that what you have to offer as a nurse is really helpful, really useful, and you know more than the attorneys. So just be cool and confident. I would also offer to bring lots of water. Your mouth gets really dry when you talk for a long time, so make sure that you pack a big thing of water and you're ready to stand on your feet for the day, and be professional and be the nurse that you know you can be.
My name is Frank Tinari. I have a company called the Tinari Economics Group. We do litigation support work, and so we have our exhibition booth at many of the conferences and seminars that trial lawyers put on. And a couple of hints. One is that I would always try to check the layout of the rooms well before the conference attends and see if you can position your booth, especially near either food or drink or a walkway towards the seminar rooms, back and forth. I think it's critical to look at the positioning. We have found that if we go to the same conference a few times, we get moved up on the list so that we have a better choice of position. So those are, I think, some of the things you should look for when you're setting up an exhibition booth to appeal to attorneys.
And there's Frank's booth right opposite the food.
Hi, I'm Varsha Desai, and I'm a registered nurse who also is a legal nurse consultant. One of the things with exhibiting that's really important if you're going to do it is building a relationship with the attorneys, with other vendors, being comfortable with meeting people, saying hello, and talking about not just what you sell, but also listening to what other people have to say about themselves, and again, using that as a starting point to build a relationship. I think that's probably one of the most important things with exhibiting, because you are meeting people face to face, as well as, you know, looking polished, putting your hand out there and shaking hands and smiling, and just feeling comfortable about who you are and what you do so that other people can sense that. Using all of that, again, to build the relationship so that the next time you exhibit or see somebody in a networking or social situation is to remember small facts about them. Something maybe they told you about a vacation or something with their family, and remembering those small things, because that really helps to make people feel important.
My name is Janet Zacher. I am with Jury Focus, New Jersey Jury Focus. This is what we do is we do focus groups for an attorney. This is a we set where we have set up a golf game. A golf game. The lawyers are participants into the booth. We play golf. We get them relaxed, and at that point we ask them whether they do any jury trials. This is how we get our interest up. We also have prizes. After they play 3 holes of golf, the low scorers have a runoff and a playoff at the end of the day, and they win valuable prizes like golf clubs and golf balls and some other little tchotchkes. At which time we make sure we have a ball here for their cards, and we put baskets of cheer on Friday.
Hi, I'm Mindy Cohen. I'm the president of Mindy, Cohen and Associates and the past president of the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants. I'm speaking to you today from the New Jersey Association for Justice seminar, where I'm exhibiting for my company. My tip for you for exhibiting is to think about exhibiting for the long haul. It's an expensive way to market your company, but a good one if you like to be in the public eye and you like to be interacting with clients. And because you need to be in front of potential clients multiple times, you can't just market once or twice at an exhibit and then disappear because clients will think you're no longer in business. So it's important to choose the seminars you're going to exhibit at and perhaps start slowly so you can be a presence for the long haul.